Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY air freshener. These are great for your car. I bought all the products at Walmart. Um, I hope my sound is sounding better. I did adjust the sound because I know some people were making comments how they were hearing a buzzing sound. And my channel, I know it's for crocheting, but I like to add a few crafts and DIYs here and there, and I haven't done that in a while. I did see this on a little fast video, so I wanted to try it and then share it so you can place these in your cars. Okay, so let's get started. So these are salt and pepper shakers from Walmart. They are only $1 a piece. And then the wax here that smells really good is Better Home and Gardens. It's in the candle section. It was $2 a piece for each of them. So all you need to do is just break off a couple of pieces, place them inside. Make sure that top you remove the circle part so the holes will be free. And you just place it in your car, and when it starts getting warm in your car, it will melt and make your car smell really good. So these are really inexpensive ways to make an air freshener for your car, and this smells really good. So I took off that little white covering so the holes will show through. Don't forget to do that. And then I'm just going to place it right in my cup holder, and when it melts it's going to smell really good. The lighting in the car isn't very good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.